of a project. My father found this in his garden, a sunbaked Volkswagen Beetle toy. Looking it over, and it's just eggshell thin. The parts are just crumbly. My dad tried to fix it with some of that gaps and cracks spray foam in a can for house insulation. It worked for a little bit, but then everything fell apart. Decided to just go along with the project. See me cutting out the foam here as I'm going to put little animals inside it. Trimming out the extra foam. Then I look at it some more. What needs to be done with this major project? But I end up making it back to being a whole Volkswagen again. The roof back on there that's been missing. And I ended up with just a wire framework, and I used cardboard over the top. And I used recycled plastic from a spinach container for the windows and for the body panels of the Volkswagen Beetle. The brilliant idea that came out is to paint the interior black. Hid the foam very nicely. You can see here the plastic body panels. Then you see the cardboard that was added on the top. And I had it pre-cut, and then I just folded it down and construction hot glued it. And what you didn't see is I put this furs tiger pattern over the top. See, I added a lot of embellishments, running boards, eyelids, rear spoiler. But it turned out a quick little project, and I got it done. I saved it. Now it's a decoration for my dad's man cave. Thanks for watching the video. Until next time, enjoy!